Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a pull request in GitHub. This is an essential skill for collaborating on code projects, allowing you to propose changes and get them reviewed before they're merged into the main codebase. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and activity. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of your repositories. Browse through and click on the specific repository where you want to create your pull request. This takes you directly into that repository's main page where you can view all the files, commits, and other project details. Once you're inside the repository, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll notice several tabs here, including Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Click on the Pull Requests tab. This section displays all existing pull requests for the repository, both open and closed, giving you an overview of ongoing discussions and proposed changes. In the upper right corner of the pull requests page, you'll see a button labeled New Pull Request. Click on this button to begin creating your pull request. This action will take you to a comparison page where GitHub shows you the differences between branches. After reviewing the changes you want to propose, click the Create Pull Request button. This step transitions you from the comparison view to the actual pull request creation form, where you'll add important details about your changes. You'll now see a text field at the top where you need to enter a title for your pull request. Choose something clear and descriptive that summarizes the changes you're proposing. This helps reviewers quickly understand what your pull request is about. Below the title field, you'll find a larger description area. Here, enter a detailed description explaining what changes you've made, why you made them, and any additional context that reviewers might need. Being thorough here makes the review process much smoother and helps maintain good project documentation. Finally, once you've filled in both the title and description, click the Create Pull Request button at the bottom of the form. Your pull request is now submitted and ready for review by your team members or project maintainers. And that's it. You've successfully created a pull request in GitHub, opening the door for collaboration and code review. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.